Florida has historically been known for its citrus groves. Many home gardeners find great joy in growing citrus. Properly planting a citrus tree is essential to giving your tree a healthy start and establishing good growth structure for the tree. The first step to planting a citrus tree is to determine where you will plant the tree. Citrus can be grown in partial shade to full sun. A south side facing location is preferred. Prepare the area by removing old plant materials and weeds. You want to give your new trees ample room to grow. Using a rake, level the soil. If herbicide has been used, follow the pre-planting waiting period or interval before planting your citrus tree. This should make sure the herbicide will not damage your young trees. Once you have selected and prepared your planting site, it is time to gather your tree planting tools. You will need a shovel, gloves, the citrus tree, water source, clippers, measuring cup, fertilizer, and measuring tape. Make sure you have easy access to a water source. Next, you will need to identify the spot where the tree will be planted. You will need 6 feet around the tree to provide ample room for tree growth. Mark the location where you will plant each tree. Next, dig the hole. The hole should be 1.5 to 2 times the size of the citrus root ball. The root ball is the massive roots below the trunk of the tree. Always keep the soil on the bottom of the hole loose and fluffy. Before inserting the tree, gently loosen the root ball so it is no longer the shape of the pot. You may need to clip any roots that are compacted or circling within the pot. Place the tree in the center of the hole. The depth of the hole should be the same as the root ball, so the root ball is in line with the soil surface. If it is too deep, add soil to the hole, but do not compact the soil at the bottom of the hole. If the hole is too shallow, dig the hole a little deeper. With the tree in the desired position, fill in the soil around the roots with your hands. Using your fingers like a fork, press the soil firmly around the side of the root ball to eliminate air pockets. Do not pack the soil around the tree by pressing on the soil with the palm of your hand. Once the tree is properly planted in the ground, you will need to build a berm that circles the outside perimeter of the root ball. This will need to be about 4 to 6 inches tall. Now it's time to apply fertilizer. Follow the label instructions to determine the amount to apply. Apply the fertilizer, evenly scattering it within the root ball zone and bermed area. The next step is to water your tree. Water your tree thoroughly. Water until the top 3 inches of the soil are moist, checking with your finger. If air pockets collapse while watering, fill them in with more soil. Water every 2 to 3 days for 3 to 4 weeks after planting. Additional watering may be required if you see your new citrus tree is wilting. If desired, add mulch. It is recommended to apply your mulch 3 to 4 inches thick. However, keep the berms mulch-free until your tree is established. Once established, mulch around the bermed areas, but do not pile the mulch around the tree trunk. Following these simple tips will hopefully allow you to establish a healthy citrus tree. Maintaining healthy citrus trees in Florida is challenging, and we invite you to watch our other videos and use the web resources for additional information.